So A and B can finish the work in 20 days and 60 days respectively. A started the work after 10 days, B joined him. So how much time will they take to complete the remaining work? So generally A and B, A 20 days and B 60 days. But A started the work after 10 days, B joined him. So A's 10-day work is 10 days work. So A's 1-day work is 1-day work is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20. A's 1-day work is 1 by 20. So A's 10-day work is 10 by 20. That means half work will be completed by A in 10 days. So remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 2. So that is the half. So after 10 days B joined him. So that means A and B working together. That time A and B working together. So A plus B is 1-day work is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. LCM is 60. So 3s are 1s are. So that means 1 by 50. A and B completed in 15 days. But 15 days. Here remaining work only after 10 days B joined him. That means A and B working together. So here half work will be there. So half into 15, that is the 7 1 by 2 days. Once again, A and B can finish a work in 20 days and 60 days respectively. A started work after 10 days, B joined him. How much time will they take to complete the remaining work? So A in 20 days, B in 60 days. So A's 1-day work is 1 by 20. A's 10 days work is 10 by 20, 1 by 2. So remaining work is half. So after 10 days, B joined him. So then together working. So after 10 days, B joined him. So A plus B, 1-day work is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So A and B in 15 days. Generally work will be complete A and B 15 days. But here half work will be there because of half of the work will be in 10 days, A will complete it. So half into 15, 7.5 days. So here A and B can do a piece of work in 45 days and 40 days respectively. They began to do the work together, but A left after some days and B completed the remaining work in 23 days. The number of days after which A left the work was. So here generally A in 45 days, B in 40 days. So here they together work started, but some days B completed the remaining work in 23 days. So B's 1-day work is 1 by 40. So remaining work is so B in 23 days work is B's 23 days work is 23 days work is 23 by 40. So remaining work is 1 minus 23 by 40, 17 by 40 work will be Who will do? A and B can do. So here A plus B's one day work is A plus B's one day work is 1 by 45 plus 1 by 40. So here LCM is 360. 45 8s are, so that is 49s are. So 17 by 360. A plus B's one day work is 17 by 360. So A and B completed in 360 by 7 days. So once again, A can do the piece of work in 45 days, B in 40 days. So B's one day work is 1 by 40, but remaining work will be completed in 23 days. So B's 23 days work is 23 by 40. Remaining work is 17 by 40. Who will do 17 by 40 work? A and B working together. So they begin to do the work together. 17 by 40 work will be completed. So generally A and B work will complete how many days? 360 by 17. So work is 17 by 40. So that is 360 by 17. 17 cancel 9 days. So after 9 days A left. After 9 days A left. Once again. So here A and B can do a piece of work in 45 days, 40 days respectively. They began to do the work together, but A left after some days and B completed the remaining work in 23 days. So that point of view, B's one day work is 1 by 40, B's 23 days work is 23 by 40. So remaining work is 17 by 40. Here remaining work is 17 by 40. So 17 by 40 work who will do? A and B working together. Because of they started the work they began to do the work together. That's why 17 by 40 work will be completed by A and B. So A and B complete in 360 by 17 days. Because of his one day work is 17 by 360. So days conversion fraction will be reversed. So that is the 360 by 17. So that means work will be 17 by 40, but days are 360 by 17. So here 0, 0, 17, 17. After 9 days, he was left. A is twice good workman as B, and together they can complete a work in 15 days. In how many days can the work be completed by B alone? So here work will be work and time. So A is twice good workman as B. That means A is twice good workman. Suppose B can take X units, A can take 2X units. So time point of view, X and 2X. Because of twice good workman as B, work takes 2X units compared to B. So time take, so in the ratio 1:2. That means B can take 2 hours, A is the 1 hour. That is the twice efficiency. That means B can take 2 hours, A will be completed 1 hour. That means twice efficiency. Work is 2X units, B is X units. Work will be, suppose you can take X, this is the 2X units. Time will be reversed. So here 1 by X plus 1 by 2X equal to 1 by 15. So LCM is 2X. So 2 plus 1 equal to 1 by 15. 2X equal to 45. So X equal to 22.5 days. X equal to 22 and of days. So B alone, so that is the A takes 22 and of days, B takes 45 days, but he asking B alone can do the work in how many days? That is the 45 days. So here A is the thrice good workman as B, and together they can complete a work in 12 days. How many days can the work be completed by A alone? So here A takes 3x unit, B takes x unit thrice, so 3x. So time point of view, this is the take x mean x hours, this is the 3x hours because of thrice efficient. So here B takes 3 hours, A takes 1 hour. This is the thrice efficiency. So here 1 by x plus 1 by 3x equal to 1 by 12. So LCM is 3x. So 3 plus 1 by 12. So 3x equal to 48. X equal to 16 days. So A alone 16 days. B alone 48 days, but he asking A alone, so that is the 16 days. Once again, A is the thrice as good workman as B, and together they can complete a work in 12 days. In how many days can the work be completed by A alone? So that's why work A can take 3x, B can take x, because of B is x. A is thrice efficient, that is the 3x. So time take, so x 3x. Because of thrice efficient means suppose B takes 3 hours, A takes 1 hour. That is the thrice efficient. So x equal to here 1 by x plus 1 by 3x 1 by 12. So LCM is 3x 3 plus 1. So 3x equal to 48, x equal to 16. So A can take 16 days. Two persons A and B can complete a work in 35 days, and while A alone complete the same work in 60 days, B alone will be able to complete the same work. So here A plus B complete in 1 by 35. So here say work in A alone 16 days. So 1 by 60 plus B equal to 1 by 35. B in A in 16 days, that's why 1 day work is 1 by 60. B. So if you want B, 1 by 35 minus 1 by 60. So LCM is 35, 60, 5 sevens, 5 12. So here 35 into 12. 420. So 35 12s are 7s are, so 5 by 420, 5 ones are 84s are. So that is B alone can do the same work in 84 days. So two persons A and B can complete a work in 35 days and 35 days, while A alone can complete the same work in 60 days. B alone work will be able to complete the same work in how many days? So A plus B 1 by 35. A in 60 days, 1 day work is 1 by 60. B equal to 1 by 35 minus 1 by 60. LCM 420. 35 12s are 7s are 5 by 420. So 84. B is 84 days.